Today I'm doing a review on these Christmas reindeer figurines. These figurines were gifted to me in exchange for my review today. Let's open up this box. Now I am doing it by the mantle where I am going to be placing these. You can place them anywhere in your home. You can put it on a tabletop, on a shelf, my mantle, or just anywhere you want to put these beautiful ceramic reindeer. They are a little abstract, but I believe that it just adds a little bit more elegance to them. I like how they are shiny and the ceramic is very durable and sturdy. It'll be hard for it to break. I also like the fact that you can wash these very easily and it won't pull off any paint or anything of that nature. Look how pretty that they look right on my mantle. So elegant and adds a little bit of class. I did put it on a tablescape of mine. They look so pretty. All in all, I think these are a great ceramic porcelain decor.